A very good evening to you. Thank you for keeping it easy Friday. Happy to be back on your screens after a short break. My name is Betty Kiptum. Let's get into the business news. Now, Kenya's social protection sector lacks the capacity to adequately address global shocks like the COVID-19 pandemic, owing to, among others, gaps in coordination, underfunding, and over-reliance on donor funding. The latest report by the Partnership for African Social and Governance Research indicates that only 7% of working age adults receive cash transfers. Older persons take up the lion's share at 77%, while persons with disability only account for 1% of funds availed under social protection programs. Take a look.
In Kenya, social protection is entrenched in primarily three ways: through cash transfers program, the National Social Security Fund, which provides social security protection to formal and informal workers in form of lump sum payments upon retirement, and through social health insurance implemented by the National Health Insurance Fund.
How you want to create solidarity? Because we need to think inclusivity is about solidarity. Ability to bring those ones who are not able to come on board so that they can enjoy with others.
Even when we are talking about the informal and informal social protection, I'm very happy that these researchers are going to help us, because up to last year, nobody even thought that people in the employment sector can be vulnerable. Were we not waking up and finding that you don't have a job? That is what happened. And with that, you are at home. So it would also be good for us as a country, as we are seriously looking at ways of improving on our social protection, we look at such vulnerabilities.
However, identification of beneficiaries, duplication of the interventions between the county and the national governments, access to beneficiaries, and inadequate funding are some of the key challenges.
When we want to come up with a program, we'll have data. And you know, figures don't cheat. They talk a lot. Because now, every time we go to the National Treasury, we are seeking for funding. They ask us, where are the numbers? Where is the evidence? When we go to the parliament, they ask us, what are the numbers in my constituency? What are the numbers in my county? But we are hoping that this social registry is now going to give us these numbers. And these numbers are going out to be the evidence we are going to be using. And at the same time, these are the numbers we are going to be using also to be doing the programming.
The latest report by Partnership for African Social and Governance Research, PASGR, indicates that Kenya spends 0.9% of its GDP on social assistance, with most of the funding coming from development partners. They called for enhanced awareness and inclusion of effective delivery and sustainability of the social protection programs. Regina Mayara reporting for Easy Friday.